Hi dear students, let's see this question that came in JEE Advanced Paper 1 Physics in the year 2018. One of the easiest questions of this paper. As soon as students would have started attempting physics section, they would have simply jumped with joy because this was very easy and almost all the students in India who wrote JEE Advanced would have done this question. So let's see what's happening over here. There's a particle of mass m whose potential energy function has been defined as kr square by 2. So basically it is moving in a conservative field since potential energy is defined. K is a positive constant. It is moving in a circular orbit of radius r. So we have to comment upon the speed of the particle and angular momentum of the particle. So question is very simple. We can say that force will be given by minus du by dr, right? So potential energy function is nothing but kr square by 2. So if you differentiate this, you're going to see that you will get that as minus kr, right? So minus sign just indicates that force is attractive in nature, and hence we can say that since the particle is moving in a circle of radius r, so basically the magnitude of the force will be k into capital R. Minus sign again, as I told you, just indicates that force is attractive in nature, right? Uh, so basically this will be equals to mv square by r. So from here we can see that velocity or speed comes out to be k by m into under root into r. This is the value of the speed. Angular momentum, its magnitude is very simple to write. We know when a particle moves in a circle, okay, so its magnitude of its angular momentum is nothing but mvr. So just put the value of v over here. So what do we get? M into root of k by m into r square, which means it will be equals to root of km into r square. So this is will be the magnitude of the angular momentum. So root mkr square and option B will be the correct answer for this question. One more quick thing. Many of the students they do not understand why minus sign here will indicate attractive force. We can see like this. Suppose this is the source of the force. I mean to say, suppose this is this point O. Okay, so let's consider a particle which is at this point. Okay, this is distance r. So we need to understand that this force, if it is defined by this, so basically this will be attractive in nature, which essentially means that this force will be applicable towards O, right? This can be understood by this function. If you see, uh, if you increase the value of r, then potential energy is going to increase. As we can see from here, potential energy is going to increase. So if potential energy increases, so we can see that kinetic energy is going to decrease because the total energy must be conserved because the particle is moving in conservative field. So kinetic energy decreases, that means force must be acting opposite to the velocity, and hence force is attractive in nature. We can see like this, or it's very obvious, most of the students know this, that minus sign over here indicates attractive nature of the force. Just like in gravitation also, minus gm by r square means attractive nature of the force. So that was this, a very simple question. Almost all of the students did this. Thank you.